Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. What I'm going to show you today is a very short video. I want to show you something. I'm having problems reading the Infusible ink, and even though we use it on the Infusible when we go check our material, it was still like causing me problems when I read it. Because it's just a quick video that I'm going to show you. I already printed this one and I already did what I was supposed to do, but you just go to make it. Okay, so here it is. And of course, don't forget that you need to mirror it. Go mirror. And I'm not going to fix it because I already printed these and I already did the coffee, the trouble mug that I did. So after you put it here and do mirror, you're going to go down here to continue. Go to browse all materials. And then you're going to go right here in the bottom where it says it's green. Mine is green. You're going to click on that where it says material settings. So there is all your settings. You're going to go down and look for Infusible. So here it is. So once you get here, you're going to go down here to edit. And originally, this one was I believe it was like 248. And I went down here and you can bring it down or you can bring it up. And you can do that with all the settings. So I went go ahead and put it to 270 and that came out really much better. Okay, so once you go ahead and set it up, you're going to go ahead and go save, and there it is. So now you close it and there you go. You go ahead and print it and it's going to give you a better print by increasing that number. So I hope that helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.